Hey guys, it's Kevin. Well, I shouldn't be sounding so happy, you know. Hi guys, it's Kevin. I have another video in God knows how long, but we're here. I just have to handle some things before I start YouTube again, and now I'm back. And the goal is to have at least 2 videos a week, and more, like 3, 4, 5 later on. We'll see how that goes. But definitely 2 videos a week at least. Just tips and tricks of running your digital marketing agency, and just more things in the entrepreneur side, such as like health and all that beautiful, sweet, innocent things. But, yep. So in this video, we're gonna talk about 5 signs that you have a bad client. So 5 signs that you have a bad client. 5 signs. 5 signs that you have a bad client, and you only need one of those signs to terminate them. They're not a good client. Just leave them alone. Let them handle the stuff by themselves, because they're a bad client. And you don't need 5 reasons to say they're a bad client. You only need one. So, without further ado, the first reason is, well, not reason, sign. The first sign is wrong expectations. We can't have a client with wrong expectations. We have to set it down from the jump and like make sure they don't have wrong expectations. But some clients, it doesn't matter. They'll still have wrong expectations. They expect to go from no digital, like no social media, no foundation, no nothing, to make 100K using social media in 2 days, and that's not how it works, because we're not making miracles, buddy. So yes, that is sign number 1, wrong expectations. On to sign number 2. This is a big one, and this is probably one of the most important ones, is this sign, the annoying sign, is a big one, because once you have that annoying client, you already know they're a bad client, because they want to call you in the morning, the afternoon, the evening, the nighttime, in the middle of the night. Like, come on, man, hop off my back, bro. So that's an annoying client. You don't want that, and the relationship with that client is not going to get any better, because that's how they are. That's how they're born to be. You can't change them. So number 3, this is a big one, but that's just how people are. This is business. They think they know more than you. Yes, you'll have clients who try to do the job for you, like, and when it don't come out their way, it's like they blame it on you. I'm gonna share one of my experience with you guys. I had a client who ran an ad, and he just burned $100 in literally under 24 hours, and the ad did absolutely nothing. And I told him about it, and he lied to me about the results and said that it went good. So, and it didn't. So that relationship with that client went to shit, basically. So, yes, this is one. And let me tell you guys, with all these signs, I had 5 of these signs just in one client, and a couple of these signs in other clients, but it's okay. But to the 4th one, they have you do more than what they hired you to do, and more than what you specialize in. So if you only go for digital marketing, and that's only Facebook ads, and they try to have you do graphic design and grow their social media and update their website, or call somebody, or fix a chair, or whatever, you know, because you never know what's gonna happen. That's one sign that you need to watch out for, because you don't want to do anything that you're not paid to do. So know your worth. That's another one. That's a key word you should key phrase you should pick up from me. So know your worth, and don't be one of those guys who does more things than what you signed a contract to do. Yeah. So on to number 5. This is the biggest one. So I'm gonna say it twice. Late payments. Let me say it again. Late payments. Late payments. Missed payments. No payments. Half payments. Side payments. You know what I mean. Late payments. So make sure that, I can't even make sure anything. Like, if you get late payment, that means the client doesn't have money. 2, the client doesn't have money. 3, the client doesn't have money. So with those 3, let's just add them up and put 1, 1, 1 together, and that means they can't afford you. So with late payments, I'll share one of the experience with you guys that I had with one of my clients, with some of my clients, was payments. Before I LLC'd my business and everything, like, started going, I was accepting checks. So I'll get paid the first of every month, and when I got the check was like signed, like set, like, so I could cash it would be like 8 days, like after the first. So it would be able to cash on like the 8th. So when I'll go to the bank, it will also take another 3 days to get, like, so it could clear and so I could have access to the money. So that means that's 11 days basically after I'm supposed to get paid that I receive my money. And that's when I found out my client can't afford me because they have late payments, no payments, missed payments, side payments. You know how it goes. So that's the 5th one. Let's just recap on all the signs so you could see if you have a bad client. 1, let me see if I can memorize it. Wait. 1, wrong expectations. 2, annoying. 3, they think they know more than you. 4, they try to have you do other things that you weren't hired to do. And 5, this is one that's a big one. I'll touch base on all these and other videos separately and go into depth and help you guys out. So 5, late payments. This is a big one I'm gonna go over with you guys, and like payment processes and all this other things and all the other good, naughty, beautiful, sexy things in the world of business. So those are the 5 signs that you have a bad client. And basically, to conclude this video, that's it. That means you have a bad client. So take these signs very seriously because it's only gonna go down from there. So yes, make sure, if you like this video, if you don't like it, if your mom hated it, if your dad don't like it, just make sure that you like my video, subscribe if you want to see more of me. I mean, I only try to help you guys, but if you don't want help, then don't subscribe. But if you do, subscribe to my channel and make sure you comment if you have any questions, and yeah, just make sure you like, comment, and share. No, you don't have to share, but yeah. So, yep, hope you guys learned something from this video, and I'll be back tomorrow to drop this other video. I don't know the topic of it yet, but I will surely show you guys it. But you have to subscribe and do that little ringer thingy so you can know when I drop it. So it's a surprise.